Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is canning day. I'm going to pickle some cucumbers and some okra, and I'm going to show you how I do it. In this pot here, we have 4 cups of water, 2 cups of distilled white vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of pickling salt. And in this pot, I'm sterilizing 3 paint ball jars and 1 quart ball jar. And we're going to, while this is occurring here, I'm going to go ahead and prep my cucumbers and my okra. Okay, we're back. My jars are sterilized and I have everything that I need to make my pickles. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is put a teaspoon of dill in each jar. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is put some mustard seed in the jar that's going to contain the cucumbers, and it's a teaspoon. Okay, let's start with the cucumbers first. These are Excelsior cucumbers that I got out of my garden. I'm going to take 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, place it in, 1 piece of garlic, and place it in, and then I'm going to place the cucumbers in. I've cut them into spears, and 4 cucumbers, so I should have 16 spears. Okay, everything's in. In the jars for the okra, we're going to put 1 jalapeno pepper in each drawer, and in one of them I'm going to put a piece of garlic. And that's because I like the garlic, but family may not. And then we're going to place okra in each of the jars. This one may be a little too big. Okay, cut the end off of that. That works. I normally don't cut my okra when I'm pickling them, but for demonstration purposes, I did this time. Okay, we're back. It's been 10 minutes. I've taken them out of the water bath, and I'm going to let them sit until they cool and until I hear the lids pop. And then I'm going to put them in my pantry. They can stay in my pantry until I open them. Once I open them, they have to be refrigerated. So overall, I think I did a pretty decent job. I'm happy with it. And if there are any improvements that you guys see necessary or any comments, suggestions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will reply back to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I just heard one pop. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you got anything out of it, give me a quick thumbs up. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and to hit the notification bell, all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I use to grow these, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can head over to my website and you can get yourself some pretty decent deals and support my channel at the same time. If you want to see like-minded gardeners like yourself on Facebook, join my Facebook group page, Small Space Gardening, where myself and others who have a passion for growing vegetables and flowers, but are only limited by space, communicate, share ideals, share recipes sometimes. So look forward to seeing you. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, remember to give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing. Take care.